We need to go somewhere where nobody can see us. You pretend you don't see those men, but all the attention's on you. Your white smile must be blinding. You're always shining. Even if I pretend I don't, I honestly get nervous sometimes. I don't know if it sounds crazy. I'll make sure you can't run away. Give me your fourth finger. Girl, I want to marry you. Right here, right now, yeah. I want to marry you. Girl, I want to marry you. Right here, right now, I want to marry you. You're still very pretty. Every time I see you, my breath stops. I need a doctor. As if it's an incurable disease, I'm lovesick. It gets more serious as time goes by. I want you. Still, my life is everything, my love. I really can't do it. You can stay by my side so that it doesn't hurt. Give me your fourth finger, oh. Then you have the chorus. If I don't do it now, I think I'll regret it. I think today's the day, baby. On your fourth finger, a diamond ring that resembles you. I'll give it to you. Will you promise me now tonight? And then the chorus again.
Hey humans, welcome back to the channel, take two.
Where it literally takes us 2 takes to get through life.
I'm Dilmy.
And I'm Vanita, and today, okay, everyone, listen. Even the people in the back, okay? Today, we're reacting to SHINee, okay? But listen. It's not any old SHINee, okay? This is new SHINee. Glowed up SHINee, returned from the military SHINee, okay? With their newest comeback of Marry You. And
Yes.
ooh, I'm excited because my first SHINee video, and I'm pretty sure Domus too, was the one we watched.
Replay.
That, yeah. I was thinking, I'm like, Nuna, that one. Ooh, listen. We went from Nuna no mu yepo to like Marry You, so let's see what this is about. Oh, also,
Yeah.
disclaimer. We got the lyrics from Genius. Don't come for us. We just needed to know a little bit of what the song is about, because come on, it's a comeback. And this video doesn't have lyrics, okay? So don't attack
and these
us.
people wanna like marry us, so we gotta know what's at stake here.
Exactly.
We wanna know what they wanna say about that.
Exactly.
Alright, so without further ado, we're gonna get right into this one today. Ready, Manita?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go. We love men in suits. Dashing and charming.
Woo.
아무도 보이지 않는 곳으로 떠나겠어 남자들 안 보는 척하면서 without tension 눈이 부시게치 새의 미소는 날 빛을 냈어 원인 척해도 솔직히 난 가끔은 불안해져 몰라 미친 소리 같겠지만 확실히 해 어디 도망 못 가게 네 번째 손가락을 줘 Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you. Girl, I wanna marry you right here, right now. Yeah, I wanna marry you.
Can we just appreciate the way they're all looking at us, like looking at the camera when they're saying that?
Yes,
Bro.
especially the guy next to Taemin. This man, I can't remember their
Oniv.
names.
He's Oniv. He's the leader.
Yeah, bruh. Every time he looks at the camera, he's just like staring into your soul, and I'm like, okay.
And he has like the little like boyish charm. Like he's got that like smile, and I'm like, Oni. And then Key, who is like all red, man, he's just like his eyes. I love his eyes. Like his eyes are just like oof. You know?
They're all oof at this point.
Oof. And Taemin's voice is so like.
Oh
oof.
my god! Speaking of, yo, he brought his like criminal and want type voice,
Yeah.
like that, like that kind of voice.
Yeah,
Ooh, he
yeah,
brought
yeah.
it here, and
It's
I'm
very
living for
sultry,
it.
right?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's the
Mhm.
word.
Right.
아직도 너무 예뻐 볼 때마다 숨이 멎지 리더 닥터 불치병이 된 여전히 lovesick 시간이 갈수록 더 심각해 I want you 아직도 내 삶의 everything my love 정말 안 되겠어 더 이상 아프지 않게 내 옆에 있어주면 돼네 번째 손가락을 줘 oh, girl I wanna marry you right here right now yeah I wanna marry you girl I wanna marry you right here right now yeah I wanna marry you 지금 아니면 왠지 후회할 것 같아 오늘인 듯해 baby 널 네 번째 손가락 위에 나뭘 닮은 diamond ring 아쉽게 널 위해 지금 나와 약속해줄래
Oh my god. Let's just quickly go back to that because that just came out of nowhere.
널 네 번째 손가락 위에 나뭘 닮은 diamond ring 아쉽게 널 위해 지금 나와 약속해줄래 I wanna marry you right here right now yeah I wanna marry you I wanna marry you right here right now yeah I wanna marry you I wanna marry you yeah I wanna marry you
Oh my god.
Can we talk about the ad libs in the end?
Can we please?
Oh,
Oh
sis,
my.
it was coming from this
God.
person, that person, the other person. Yo.
I just listen. Oniv's
Woof.
vocals?
Chef's
He
kiss.
ain't no joke. And you're right. In my mind, I didn't want to interrupt, but in my mind, I'm like, the ad libs though. Like the one starts, like Oniv starts, then Key takes it, then Taemin comes in, then Minho comes in, and I'm like, it's
I
like a
don't
packed
know.
up nice hamburger.
Yeah,
I'm like,
I don't
yes,
know
the
the last-
layers.
I don't know the last time I've ever heard like a group where literally every person ad-libbed one after the other. Like you were just like bouncing from here to there to everywhere. Oh.
And it was like a nice build up. Like it was like stacked so nicely. Oh, I love that. Was a vocal blessing. Like that was literally just, oh, my ears are blessed.
And I love how simple it was. Like it wasn't like a choreographed anything. It was just standing there, simple background, simple outfits. It was just vocals, front stage.
Yes, it was vocals overload. And they're like, we're gonna kill you with our voices. Because I mean, as a singer, that's all you really need. You don't need to do anything more, right? You just gotta sing. And like they sang, they brought it up, and oh my gosh, even though Minho just returned from military service, it's just like he's just, I don't know, like I thought that like you might have to train a bit more,
That's
get
what-
your voice to like, you know, like, but the man said, no, I returned, we're gonna sing tomorrow and that's gonna be great. And I'm like, what the heck?
That's what I was thinking the whole time too. I was like, yo,
Yeah.
y'all all sound really good, but I know recently, like you said, I forget whose name you just said.
Minho.
Minho just came back, and I'm like, do these people when they come back, not even just them, just generally like any K-pop idol when they come back, like do they have to go to like a mini boot camp where they have to like
Retrain like the
retrain a
vocals,
little bit?
right?
Yeah, because I'm like, it's
Yeah.
2 years, like.
But you're not
That's a
really
long
singing.
time.
Unless this is what they do every Friday night after their shift is done in the military and they're like, let's just get together and sing.
Call up the group, guys. I have an idea.
Because like this is incredible.
Yeah.
And like and you're right, this is such a glow up. Like obviously like what they did with Replay, like it suited the times and it still does to this day. But like now they're here with like manly, like
They
beautiful
grew
voice. Like puberty hit them like a truck, is what I'm just saying.
Yep.
And that was just, oh, I loved it. I actually loved it. And I really would never say no if a man comes to me and sings this song.
Me
And
either.
like Shiny's like the backtrack, you know? I would be like, listen, I don't like you, but I will marry you though. Like this song is just everything.
I will mind if he proposed and his Shiny was in the back.
That's what I'm saying. Like they were just playing like they're just singing and like, oh, make it happen.
I mean, I might
Manifest that,
push him on
Benito.
the side and just go to Taemin and be like, "What's up?" But
I have to say, I was kind of biased right with Onev with this performance. Like that man came from me. I'm like, ooh.
whoever is that the guy I kept talking about that kept staring?
Yeah.
The one next to
yeah.
Taemin on this
Onev,
side.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, same. The first look that he gave, I was like, "Oh, hi." Hello.
Yeah. And his vocals, like I like the voice. Like he's got like a really interesting voice. You know what I
Mhm.
mean? I like it. I loved it. Thank you, Shiny, for coming back with a banger. Oh my goodness.
With
Alright,
a banger
guys,
that's like subtle, like a subtle banger.
Yeah, usually when people come back, it's big.
It's like
NCT
way too much. It's like an overload. But this was like, we never left. We were here all the time.
Yeah, like you can't even say it's a comeback. I just be like, no, like this is like their regular routine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a nice gift, I must say. This was nice. I really loved it. Okay, well, alright guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a comment letting us know what you thought about this comeback or if you even checked it out because this is pretty recent. So go check it out. And as always, stay positive, stay healthy, and stay home. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye!